Yes, one and all. Welcome to Randy Kitchen again. Right now, we're going to do a blend. I still have a cold. And I'm a blend all my native answers, things them from native answer. My 7 day cleanse. I'm going to deal with it. Angela will call me soon. I'm going to deal with it. She have the man food and she have everything for make the man them strong naturally. But today, me have a cold and my spirit tell me say, we get my pomegranate, pomegranate. In America they call it pomegranate. In Jamaica we call it pomegranate. So in America right now they have this thing going on around. Yeah. So right now, I'm gonna go blend. I have the ginger with the skin on it, and I have my pomegranate on it. I have all my native answers, nativeanswer.com. Yeah, mynativeanswer.com. Let me explain something to you. If you live in America, you need a herbalist, right? Link up my native answer. Me tell her what me tell her say. She wicked, she good, Jamaican. Yeah man. So you must link her up. All of the herbs and things she sell the bush like the moringa seeds. She sell the moringa seeds. I get some more moringa seeds from her eyes, you know. And what call Angela, tell her, say, look, I want Randy discount. I want a 10% off. Tell her, say, Randy send me. Call her. Go to mynativeanswer.com. I want to call her. You see me right now, she give me the blood pressure support. That's from my mother. The 15-day body cleanse. The black was this cumin seed, right? And then what thing she give me, she go explain it. The turmeric, the CFV40 for men, circulation support, the turmeric thing. So now, and then what about yeah? She give me some travelers, what that Mara, honey goat weed, what? And the Molona, and the what that? Me don't know. So she go explain them. And then the Mako, Mokuna, the horny goat weed, and the oh boy, I mean I know some of them things. It's the man food. So when you take this yourself, whoa, problem for your wife, happiness for your wife. And then she give me some other thing, yeah, so when I'm natural Jamaican and almost do things naturally, if you don't have a doctor, so a doctor, whatever medication you're taking, make sure say deal with the herbs. This is a disclaimer, this channel is not a herbal channel. Nothing here is recommended by the experts. Deal with your doctor, see your doctor, But native answer, endorse Angela. She dip on it. I'm gonna take my 7 day cleanse. People with weight problem, you need for link Angela. You see my high blood pressure. Link Angela, so what she have to say about it. And fibroids and thing, I'm gonna bring Jason too. So it's all about healing our community. And Angela have the herb shop in Atlanta, so she can ship it to you anywhere in the world you are. So I want you guys to link her. Women, don't deal with this weight problem alone. Men, if the thing now work, call Angela. She have our consultation. If you're 30, it's never too late to start working on your health. Don't wait to start taking medication. Start now. So what I want her to work with me on, I don't really need the man food. But what I really want her to work with me on is why should I take some of these herbs as a man? And what should I take every day? I want her to help me with all of these vitamins that I have. I have stack of vitamins. You know, I want her to tell me, all right, what should I take on a daily basis? So let's get to the blend. Right now, Angela will come later, but I want to know, say, whatever in the country you live, you must know Angela Burke. She wicked. And Virgin Jackson will come later. Go to mynativeanswer.com. You'll see the phone number. Call Angela. Say, hey, Randy send me. I want Randy discount. So give some discount. Get your cleanse. You know? Every month, I'm going to try to pay my $99 to Angela and get me thing them what I need. Because if you see the videos them that I do, you know that I deal with health. Yeah? And I can't tell her enough. Call Angela, mynativeanswer.com. Check Angela and start your health regimen. And she'll get you in tip-top shape. You will look really good. And take your notes. And she has a website, a YouTube channel, My Native Answer, on YouTube also. You can search for her. All right. Respect, love. Make a blend this thing right now. So my blend for today, a lot of ginger, and actually peel the panganet. And you know, it's funny thing. When I was talking to Angela, I said, you know, Angela, my spirit tell me to peel the panganet, but don't get rid of the white part. And she said, all right, Randy, I'm going to tell you why not the white part. You see, in Jamaica, the herbalists, them always talk to me about, certain bitter things. So when I blend it like this with the seed and everything, I strain it off with my pillowcase. But anything bitter and fruits and stuff, you must blend it all up and just strain it off. That cleans out your blood. But Angela is going to tell me more about the panganet later, the inside of it. Yeah? So this is the woman, lemon thing, and man, ginger, I keep the skin on. Yeah? And the panganet, I slightly peel it, put it in the blender. And that little bitterness definitely will help the system. So, right now, I could do a blend. We talk to you later. Love, light, and happiness. Wait there. I think, wait, no move. I'm going to put some beads tonight. After I strain it off, I'm going to put some beads tonight. Right? And then, when it's all done and said, you see me have a little container here with my moringa seeds, and my pumpkin seeds, and my jackfruit seeds. Yeah. So take a ride with us on this natural liberty journey, peace and tranquility. Now, I'm going to talk to Angela also about the grapefruit seed extract. Sometimes I dip some of this. And she's telling me, you know, when you get the cold, the echinacea, right? She'll go talk to me about that. And so we're going to do a very lengthy show. We have the liquid kelp. What time is it? All right, so this is supposed you take this and you dip it under your tongue. She's going to talk to me about that, what that's good for. Right down on my tongue in the morning. I don't know what good for you. Right? And vitamin D. Yeah, shall I talk about the vitamin D? When you live in the States, you definitely need your vitamin D for the sun. I'm a little bit vitamin D deficient. So she's going to talk about that also. And then she's going to talk about the black elderberry. My mother just gave me this thing called Vite Eyes. There's so many different things, and I'm trying to simplify. And then I have the chewable vitamin C. I'm trying to simplify, and then my mother get me the bone up. Mommy, we can't take so much. Let me have the B50. I say my mother love give me vitamin C. And then we have the one a day. So you see how complicated life can be? Of course, definitely vitamin D3. So there's a lot of confusion and thing in this life. And I I'm doing this show so I could simplify it for myself and hopefully help you to simplify it for you because I don't want to overdo anything in my life. I want to keep my life simple. You know, I don't want to do any extreme health conscious thing, you know? I just want to keep my life simple. All right? So she's going to educate me. I'm going to blend this thing right now. And let's blend this thing right now and see what go on. So we're back again. We strain off the pomegranate or panganet in Jamaican. And we have the ginger in here, right? Nice gradient right there. This is the white part of the panganet. And now I have my beets in there, and we're gonna blend that. Let's blend that up, and we're going to taste it. It's bitter, but you have a cold. Every week you want to cleanse yourself and detox. This is the power detox. Give thanks. All right, so we're back. Look at this gradient. Look at that beauty. Ginger, um, two peg of garlic, pangran, I keep messing it up. Panganet for Jamaicans, pomegranate for Americans. And this is my super detox, all natural, right? Angela will tell us more about what I just did, but I work at the spirit, and that's what the spirit tells me. Let's pour this out and take a look at it. Look at that powerful drink, brethren and sistrins. Look at that. Power. Red for the blood, green for the nerves. Now, if you have challenges, heart problems, and stuff, before you eat green leaf or different things. Look at the medication you're taking. Make sure you have your nutritionist from the hospital. They'll tell you what green leaf or what things you can eat, because what I'm finding out, vitamin K causes a lot of blood clot. So you got to be careful when you're taking medication, even what fruits you're eating. So consult your doctor and your specialist. But me, I want to be stronger. I want to continue to live. I'm 44 years old, and this is my new thing. I link up with Angela and I do my natural blends every morning. No sugar. If anything, honey. Make me taste this. Got a little bitter. It tastes really good. The ginger overpowers it, so it cuts down the bitterness. Until next time, enjoy your life. Make sure you check out Angela Burke at mynativeanswer.com. Call her, tell her Randy sent me to take care of you, and she will. Love.